Hello everybody and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video I would like to show to you how to open an image and then display the image as well as save the image using the OpenCV. So in this video I also would like to show to you how the difference is when you display an image using the matplotlib.pyplot versus you displaying the image using the OpenCV libraries, as well as saving the image using the OpenCV and using the matplotlib. Okay, so first let us import the library. Here the OpenCV is import as the CV2 and the matplotlib.pyplot import as the PLT. Next, I open the image using the cv2.imread function. Here my image is this Rubik image, as you can see here, and the first argument here is the file name, which is the rubik.jpg, and the second argument here is the tell this function to read the image as a color or as a grayscale. If you type 1 here, then this image will read as the color image, and if you type 0 here, then this image will read as the grayscale image. And if you don't write anything, by default this function will open or read this image as a color image. Okay, so just to make it clear, I will put 1 here. Next, we display the image using the cv2.imshow function. Here it takes 2 arguments mainly. The first one is the window name. This function will open a new window, and then we should give the window name here. I simply give name image, and the second argument is our image file that we open, which is img, and you should put this 2-line code in order to use this cv2imshow here. Okay, let's run this code. So here is our new window here. As you can see here that the window name is image, and we should close this window if we want to run the other cell in this Jupyter notebook file. Okay, let's close this. And next, sometimes you maybe work with multiple libraries, such as using the matplotlib to displaying the image. If you use the matplotlib, you simply type plt.imshow and then the image file, and actually there is second argument if for the color map, but we don't need here. Just leave it as default and then type the plt.show as we run this cell. So as you can see here that the color of the image when we display using the PLT is different. This is the original image. Let me zoom out, and this is the image from the plt.imshow method. So why this has happened? This is because the OpenCV will read the image as a blue, green, and red color, while the matplotlib or this PLT here will display the image in a color as red, green, and blue. So in order to use this plt.imshow, you need to convert the color of the image into red, green, and blue. So in order to do that, you simply use the cv2.cv2color. Here this function takes 2 arguments. The first one is the image. This image has a color blue, green, and red, because we open it using the OpenCV. And the second argument is the code. Here the cv2.color underscore blue, green, red to red, green, blue, and then we save it as the image underscore RGB. And if we run this and then display this image underscore RGB, we will get the same image as the input image. So the next step, we want to save this image. As you can see here, there's only one image file here. First, we can save this using the cv2.imread function. It takes 2 arguments. The first one is the file name. I name it here as the new underscore rubik.jpg, and the second file is the image file. Make sure here that the image file has a color blue, green, and red, because that's how the OpenCV work. If you put the RGB color code image here, then it will save the wrong color. Okay, so let's save this. Let's run this cell. So here is the image that we save using the cv2.imread, and this one, if you want, you also can save the image using the plt.imsave function. It takes two arguments mainly. The first one is the image file name. This means that you will save the image as the plt_image.png, and then is the second argument is the image file. So here, because we use the plt to save the image, make sure that the image file here is the RGB color code, not the BGR color code. Okay, let's run this as we open. Alright, so here is the image that we save using the matplotlib.pyplot. So let me show to you what happens if we save the img image. Let's we close this one. Okay, now we open this image. Looks, the color is in a blue, green, and red. Okay, this is always, so try to display, save this one to show to you. If we save the red, green, blue image, so this one, this is also will get this wrong image. What we want is like this color. So make sure here that you save the image blue, green, red if you use the cv2.imread, and if you use the plt or the matplotlib.pyplot imsave, make sure that your image has in red, green, blue color. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.